If you're looking to level up your entertainment system at home with the soundbar, there's a new contender in town, and it's none other than from the best speaker brand in the world, KEF. This is the XIO all-in-one surround soundbar, and it's their very first soundbar. So let's take a look at it together. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So in this video, I want to talk about the new KEF XIO soundbar, which I have already played, tested and also reviewed, okay? But before we continue, let's take a look at the unboxing and also the setup. First off, let's talk about the design. The XIO comes in two colors, silver grey and slate black. To be honest, it's super huge and takes up quite a large footprint with 48" in length and 6.5" in depth. So be sure that you measure the space that you have in front of your TV before you get this speaker. The design is very modern and elegant. All the ports are at the back: HDMI, optical, USB-C and also Ethernet. Let's not waste time and straight go to the audio test and see how it sounds. Now, because of my tiny mics, you might not be able to enjoy the full audio quality, but you can imagine from this video, okay? Now, if you feel like what you hear from YouTube or on your phone with the tiny speakers is not immersive enough, you really should go to a KEF authorized dealer to check it out yourself. Or book a demo through their website to experience it properly.
I did medium well!
Who's that? You told her?
Maybe you just get some much needed alone time. Because being alone on vacation is great.
Now, from what I can experience, the sound is very crisp and the bass is also very deep. It supports Dolby Atmos, DTS, 360 reality audio, FLAC and many more formats, so no need to worry on compatibility. Now, because the KEF XIO is a modern soundbar, we can actually use it to play audio without connecting to a TV. It supports Wi-Fi with 3 bands, 2.4, 5 and 6 GHz. There's also KEF Connect, AirPlay, Bluetooth, Google Cast and more. So this means you can directly play music from your phone. It comes with support for streaming on Tidal, Amazon Music, Deezer, Spotify Connect and more. So let me show you how. Now that you've seen the design, you know how amazing it is, all the features that it has, and also kinda experienced the audio quality. Let me talk about my thoughts about it and also considerations based on the price. The KEF XIO costs USD 2299 on their website. And I feel for a premium soundbar from a reputable British brand which is globally known, it is definitely worth it. Now, of course, there are many cheaper option soundbars out there, but we are talking about KEF here, okay? So it's kind of like, if you know, you know, and if your friends who come to your house, they know, they see it, then you'll be like, and then they also like, As I mentioned just now, the sound is actually very crisp very loud. And from my usage and also experience, I have never pushed the volume to maximum. It's always almost until 60 to 70% because it is very loud. But at the same time, the bass is also very clear. So considering the audio quality and also the ability to use it wirelessly or wired, connected to a TV or not connected to a TV, and also it has streaming services built in like Spotify Connect, I think it is a very worth it speaker or soundbar to own. As you can see, I don't have the subwoofer system here, but it's for those people who prefer a more immersive experience, okay? And as I mentioned just now, it is actually very big, and I strongly suggest that you really go and try before buying it online, okay? Because you might not be able to fit this in your space. So that's all about the KEF XIO. Hope you are able to make some decisions from this video. If you love this video, share this with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.